Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I've got a brand new 2019 Boston Whaler 24 Dauntless Pro. The Pro means you get that tower up top there, which is a really cool option. And with this being a hybrid boat, fantastic boat for getting into the shallow waters back in the bay, but also getting you out there for offshore fishing. This one comes with a power pole already installed. Got trim pads on the back, as well as a jack plate, stainless steel top Mercury in white Verado with a 350 is plenty of power to get you anywhere you need to go fast. Let's hop up inside and see what this thing looks like. Here we are up the bow. You can see that we've got the cushions on right now, which give you tons of seating, lots of lounge area. Each side has got a flip-up backrest. When you remove these, you've got a huge casting deck. Also in the front of your center console, you've got another storage and seating area with additional rod holders. Moving back, you've got a few steps for easy access to get up to the tower, as well as a really nice sea deck standing platform. We'll hop up here in a second, but you've got plenty of seating up top here for 2 people. All your controls. Back at the helm, got plenty of space for your electronics, another fusion radio, all your toggle switches, trim tab controls, as well as your power plate controls. Dual seating that's convertible here as well. Built-in Yeti cooler. Port and stern seats here have storage underneath. And your center one there is your live well tank. Let's hop up top here and get a view from the tower. So here we are up on the top of the tower. You can see you've got all your controls to run everything as you would at the helm almost. You've got jack plate controls, trim tab controls, all your electronic throttle controls. Over here we've got your speedometer and tack, as well as stereo. Excellent view of the whole boat. Plenty of seating for 2 people.